Welcome RM Touch CCNA Practical Labs. In this lesson, we will learn how to make configuring IP version 6 plus Inter-VLAN routing. So to start in our configuration, so as you see in our topology, consists of these three departments: sales and marketing departments, and it is VLAN is a VLAN 10, and finance department is VLAN is VLAN 20, and logistic departments and it is VLAN is VLAN 30. So we are going to make IP configuring IP version 6 plus inter-VLAN routing using IP version 6. So first step, we will create VLANs name and we will assign them to the ports, and also we will make a trunk this port. So we will start in this switch. Click this switch. So in this port is a FS01 and we'll make a trunk. Enable config interface fast ethernet 01 switch port mode trunk. So for example, FS02 and FS03 we will assign VLAN 10. FS04 and FS05 we will assign VLAN 20. FS06 and FS07 we will assign VLAN 30. So click this switch. First we will create VLANs. VLAN 10 and its name is sales. VLAN 20 and its name is finance. VLAN 30 and its name is logistic. Okay, exit. Interface range fast ethernet 02 to 3 switchboard mode access VLAN 10. Exit. Now we assign VLAN 10 these two ports. Come this VLAN 20 ports, FS04 and FS05. Interface range fast ethernet 04 to 5 switchboard mode access VLAN 20. Okay, come to VLAN 30 and VLAN 30 port is FS06 and FS07. Interface range fast ethernet 06 to 7 switchboard mode access VLAN 30, and then save your configuration. Do right. Okay, in our next step, so we will make a 3 sub interface with the router in these 3 departments. VLAN 10 we will make a pool. VLAN 20 we will make a pool, and VLAN 30 we will make a sub interface. So click the router and first we will up this interface because it's a down. Click the CLI. No. Enable config interface gigabyte 0/0 no shutdown. Okay, interface gigabyte 0/0 VLAN 10 encapsulation.iq VLAN 10 and IP version 6 address. IP version 6 address is a 201 double column A double column AB1C double column 1, and it is subnet mask. Okay, IP, that's a unique global unicast address. The remaining one is link local address, IP version 6 address, and we will sign FE ID double column 2. Don't forget link local. Okay, now we finish for the creating sub interface with the router VLAN 10. So come to VLAN 20, exit interface gigabyte 0/0 VLAN 20.20 encapsulation.iq 20 and IP version 6 global unicast address is you see 2001 double column AB2D double column 1/64 and come to that's the global unicast address. Come to link local address IP version 6 address. It is FE ID double column 3 and link local. And also we finish VLAN 20 for the creating sub interface with the router. Okay, the last VLAN is a VLAN 30 interface gigabyte 0/0.30 encapsulation.iq 30 and IP version 6 address for the global unicast address for VLAN 30 is 2001 double column AB 3E AB 3E double column 1 and the subnet mask enter. That's the global unicast address for VLAN 30. Come to link local address. IP version 6 address is FE AD double column 4 and then link local. Now we finish for the configuring for the creating sub interfaces with the router. So now we'll configure IP version 6 on the PCs into each LAN. Okay. So in this PC, we will give in this IP address. So copy, for example, the default gateway we give for the router, and this PC will give and 6, and this another PC will give 7. Click this PC and come to IP. Okay, ABIC, and don't forget the subnet mask. And okay, 2001 slash AB 1C double column 6 double column 6 and the subnet mask is 64 and the default gateway is 1. Okay, this one we give 6 and I invalid. Okay, let me check. Okay, 2001. Okay, copy this one. Okay, Come this another PC. Sorry. Come this another PC. Desktop IP. I will copy. Okay, it's okay. And this one is a 7, and the subnet must be a 64, and uh, and the default gateway is .1. Okay. Come this VLAN 20 to assign PC for the IP address. Okay. Copy. Desktop. And this one is a 6, and the subnet mask is a 64, and the default gateway is 1. Come this another PC. Desktop. The first was 6, and this one is a 7, and the subnet mask is a 64, and the default gateway is a 1. Okay. Yes. Come to VLAN 30. First, we will copy this IP address. Come this PC, VLAN 30, and we will give a 6. Don't forget that subnet mask 64, and the default gateway is 1. Come to last PC with VLAN 30, desktop IP, and this one is a 7, 64, and the default gateway is 1. Okay, we forget a one command line. Okay, it's very important. IP version 6 Unicast routing and do right. So now we will test if they can ping or not. Okay. Okay. Copy this. Copy this IP address and come this PC. Come to command promote ping. Okay. Ping. And that's the default gateway will give us this. You see, the sales department can ping the logistic. Okay. I am going to test for they can ping the logistic departments can ping or can reach the VLAN 20 or finance department. Click this PC and come to CMD, ping. Okay, 6. Yes, the finance departments can ping and logistic departments. Okay, we'll take the global unicast IP version 6 address for VLAN 20. Copy. So we are going to come into logistic, how to test if the finance can ping the logistic. Okay, click this PC and ping 7. Yeah, and also the finance can ping the logistic. So it means in our in our communication is good. So now we learn in this lesson how to make configuration IP version 6 with Inter-VLAN routing configurations. So thank you very much, and please subscribe and share, and we will see you in the next class.